Hello students, how are you all? I am Miss Jessica Patel. Welcome you all with a new session of English grammar. And today we are going to learn active and passive voice, and this is part 2. Okay, in earlier video we have already completed the rules, or we can say basic rules which are required in passive voice, and we have already completed simple present tense. So today we are going to learn present continuous tense and present perfect tense. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start. But before we start, first do some revision that you know very well that what you have to do. First thing is that you have to change the object into subject. Then you have to put the proper, or we can say suitable, helping verb. Okay, then number 3, you have to change the main verb into past participle, means we can say with 3. And then you have to use by plus subject. Okay, so these are the basic thing. And then we have already discussed that if in an active voice I is given, then you have to use by me, you then by you, then we by us, he by him, she by her, it by it, they by them, and if any of the name is given, so by name. So these are the basic rule. Okay, so before we start, first take a look on present continuous tense. So some of the key words are there that we have already discussed, then which key words are there, and with the help of that keywords you come to know that it's present continuous tense. So some of the words like now, look, see, hear, listen, at this time, at this moment, at present, observe, stop, go, keep quiet. These are the words, and with the help of these words you come to know that the given sentence belongs to present continuous tense. Now earlier also we have discussed that if present continuous tense is there, so we have total 2 tenses. One is present and one is continuous. And earlier also we have discussed that if you want to show any of the tense in continuous form, so you have to use ing, okay, behind the verb. So if you use ing, that means you can easily show continuous tense. So here in active voice, which are the sentence formation, and we have already discussed that you have to remember one number, that is 321 per 4, yeah, 4 per 321, yeah, 321. So these number you have to applied. Okay, so in active voice the formation is first comes subject, okay, then is mr because we are talking about present continuous tense, then ing because we want to show it in a continuous form, then come object, and then come extra word. So see, number 1, that is 3, is mr plus ing, that is a verb, so that is number 2, object, that is number 1, and extra words, that is number 4. Right, so in passive voice first come object, so number 3 comes on number 1 position, so object. Then see, here no need to change is mr, so the is mr is remains same in earlier, in like in present, simple present tense. What we have actual helping verb, so v1, or we can say ses, helping words do and does. Okay, so we have to change into is mr plus v3, but here you have to change is mr remain as it is. But see, if ing is there, because we have already discussed that you have to change the main verb into v3 form, so you cannot give ing, okay, you cannot add suffix ing after v3, so you have to use be, and you have to give this ing to be. So your answer is mr plus being plus v3, that is number 2. Again, is mr you have to keep as it is. So ing, where you have to put ing, because we have already discussed that you have to put the correct, or we can say suitable, helping verb, and main verb, so you have to change the main verb into v3, so these one v3. So when you add ing, so you have to give this ing gift to be, and so you if you add be ing after be, so your answer is being. So here is mr plus being plus v3, then come by plus subject, so that is your 3rd number, and extra word, that is your 4th number. So your sentence formation is like is mr plus being plus V3. Okay, you have to remember these one only. Is MR plus ing. So you have to change into is MR plus being plus V3. Okay, now subject, object, extra word, no need to remember all the things. In simple present tense, V1 or we can say V1 plus S or ES. Passive voice is MR plus V3. If present continuous tense, so is MR plus ing. Passive voice is MR plus B. ing, so being plus V3, so is MR plus being plus V3. Only you have to remember this much of thing. No need to mug up all the things. Okay, I'm writing for your convenience, but you have to write you have to remember is MR plus ing. Okay, so that is present continuous tense. So you have to write is MR plus being plus V3. Right, so let's check some examples so it is very much clear to you. First example is there. Ram is playing cricket at this time. So see, at this time indicate present continuous tense. Even ing is also given. So first we have already discussed that divide and rule. So subject Ram. First underline. Second underline, helping verb plus main verb. So helping verb is and main verb, that is playing. Object cricket and at this time extra word. So your number is 3, 2, 1, 4. So what you have to do? You have to write first number in the beginning of the sentence. So cricket. Now see, sometimes what happen here, R is given. For example, later on we will discuss that thing also. But when you change into passive voice, so you have to apply it on the basis of the object. So cricket is singular or plural? So definitely cricket is singular. So what you have to add is, okay, these ing, so I am giving these to be. So being. Okay, so done. These ing, being, cricket. With the cricket I have to use is. Then play. So play is a main verb. So what is the V3 form, or we can say past participle of play? So the past participle of play is played. So cricket is being played. Now come by plus subject. So third number. So Ram means name is given. So what is the answer? So by name. So cricket is being played by Ram. Then fourth number as it is. So at this time. Right. See number 2. It's very easy. No need to worry. I am watching a movie now. So subject. So I. Helping verb am. Main verb watching. So am watching, that is another part. What? So object is a movie. And now that is the extra word. So what is the number? 3, 2, 1 and 4. Now let's arrange according to the 1, 2, 3 form. So first come a movie. So I am writing here a movie. So movie is singular or plural? So definitely it's singular. So a movie is. Okay, ing is there. So I have to give it to something. So I am giving to be and I have to add ing. So movie is being. Okay, now watch is remain and watch is the main verb and I have to change the main verb into V3. So what is the V3 or past participle of watch? So watched. So a movie is being watched. So one done, second also done. Now comes third number. So I. If I is given, then what I have to add? By me. So a movie is being watched by me and then fourth number. So now. Right. Let's check the another one. She is washing the room. So subject she. Okay, helping verb is. Main verb washing and object the room. So the number is 3, 2 and 1. So let's arrange. So first number come forward. So the room. So the room singular or plural? So definitely it's singular. So what come? So is. Okay, these ing create confusing. So I am giving it to IME, so being. What is the V3 form of wash? So it's a washed and she. So she, then your answer is by her. So the room is washed, is being washed by her. Right. Let's check the another one. They are playing vacation in Goa. So first subject they. Helping verb are. Main verb enjoying. object, vacation, and in Goa. So 3, 2, 1 and 4. Now see, first number come forward. So what is the first number? So vacation. Now see, here with they indicate plural form. That's why R is there. But we have to put according to the object, and the object is vacation here. So vacation is singular form. That's why I have to use is here. Rather they, so they indicate plural, that's why R is given. But you have to change it here in is. So vacation is. So again ing is there. So I have to give this ing to be. So be. Then ing. So be. Now enjoy is remain. So enjoy is the main verb. So what is V3 form of enjoy? So V3 of enjoy is enjoyed, or we can say enjoyed, right? So the vacation is being enjoyed. Then come third number. So third number they. So what I have to write? So by them. So what is the answer? So vacation is being enjoyed by them in Goa. Then full stop. Right, let's check the another one. At this time, Lata is singing a song. So at this time, subject, no, wrong, it's the extra word. So subject, see, living things. So Lata is subject because she is doing the action. What she is doing? So she is singing. And what? So a song. So extra word, Lata subject. So third number is singing. Second number, and a song first number, means one number. So at this time, that is the extra word, means here 4 wicket, 321 run applied. So here 4 number. I already told to you that if the fourth number is in the beginning, so you have to write as it is. Okay, no need to do any change with fourth number. So at this time, now I have to arrange in 1, 2, 3 position. So a song. So a song come forward. So a song. So song is singular. So what I have to write? Is. Right. Then ing is like extra. So I have to give it to be. So being. So what is the V3 form of sing? So V3 form, V2 is sang and V3 is sung. Okay, so I have to use sung. So a song is being sung and Lata means a name is given. So what I have to add? So by Lata. Right, so what is the answer? At this time, a song is being sung by Lata. Right, so this is your present continuous tense. Now let's move to the another tense, and that is present perfect tense. So some of the key words to identify present continuous tense are like just now, already, yet, ever, so far, recently, otherwise two complete sentences. So these are the key words to find present perfect tense. So as far as present perfect tense is concerned, what is the formation of active voice? So you have has, have or has plus V3, means the full sentence is like subject plus helping verb, that is have or has, plus main verb, that is your V3, then come object, and then comes extra words. Right. So in passive voice, what you have to do? So have, has remain as it is. But the thing is that you want to show present perfect tense, and here V3 is already given, so you are using V3 as a same on the same position. But what's about the perfect tense and you are forming the passive voice? So if you are forming the passive voice of any of the perfect tense, then you have to use the perfect form of be. See, we have done that if ing form is there, so we have to write being. But what is the perfect form of been? So be. So the perfect form of be is been. So the passive voice is have plus has plus been plus V3, means first come object, then have or has plus been plus V3 plus by subject and plus extra words. Okay, have with plural form and has with singular form. So see the example. She has drawn a rangoli in front of the house. So she is subject, has helping verb, drawn, that is V3. Okay, what? So a rangoli, and in front of the house extra word. So the number is like 3, 2, 1 and 4. So first come a rangoli. So a rangoli, I already told to you that if plural form is there, then you have to use a have, and if singular form is there, then you have to use a has. So a rangoli, so rangoli is singular, so what I have to add? Has. Now drawn, that is already given. The main form is draw. So the V3 form of draw is drawn, but I have to show the perfect tense. So we have to use perfect form of be, that is the been. Okay, so rangoli has been. It is already given to you drawn. Okay, so first done, second done. Now comes third number. So she. So if she is given, then we have to use by her. So rangoli has been drawn by her. Then 4 number as it is in front of the house. Right, so the answer is a rangoli has been drawn by her in front of the house. Next one, I have completed my homework just now. So see, I subject, helping verb have and completed. Okay, that is the main verb we can say. Then my homework object and just now extra word. So 3, 2, 1 and 4. So first come my homework. So my homework is singular or plural? So it's singular. So what we have to use? Has. So my homework has, then we have to show the perfect tense. So we have to use the perfect form of be. So what is the perfect form of be? So my homework has been completed. It is already given, it is in the V3 form, so completed. And if I is given, so what is the answer? So by me, and fourth number is as it is just now. Right, next, they have watered plants in the garden. So they subject have watered. Okay, what? So plants and in the garden. So what comes first? So plants. So plants singular or plural? See, plants means s is given, means it's a plural form. So what we have to use? If plural form is there, then we have to use have. So plants have. Now perfect form of be, because V3 is given, so be. V3 is already given to us, that is watered. So plants have been watered. They. So what is the answer? So by them, and 4 number as it is in the garden. Right. So the answer is plants have been watered by them in the garden. Next, she has made many paintings. So subject here she. Okay, has made and many paintings. So the number is 3 to 1. So many paintings come on the place of subject. So many paintings. So many paintings indicate plural form. So what we have to write? If plural form is there, then we have to write have. So many paintings have. Then perfect form of be. So the perfect form of be is been. Okay, made. So main form is make, made and made. So it is already given have been made, and she is given. So the answer is by her. So the answer, complete answer is many paintings have been made by her. Next one, I have given a pen. So I subject have given verb and a pen. So what is the answer? A pen. So a pen singular. So definitely come, has come. So a pen has. Then perfect form of be, that is been, given, and I is given. So my answer is by me. So a pen has been given by me. So this way you can easily change the sentences from active to passive. What you have to remember, you have to try to make underlines, okay, and create the parts so you can easily form it. Okay, so in this video what we have discussed? So present continuous tense, active voice. So is am plus ing. So while changing into passive, is am plus being plus V3. And if it is present perfect tense, so have has plus V3. It is already given. So we have to form it in a present form. So have or has, then been plus V3. So you have to remember these thing only. Is MR plus ing, so is MR plus being plus V3. Then here have has plus V3, so have has plus been plus V3. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you, and still you have any doubts, so you can write in comment box. I'll try to solve your problems and doubts. And if you like the video, then like it, share with your other friends, and thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.